Hello and welcome to Wednesdays with Annette. I'm so glad you've joined me because the topic I'm talking about today is an important one. It's all about healthy weight loss tips. But before we get started with this topic, the winners from last Wednesday's show, were super excited because the deal was you had to tag a friend in the comments, which means there was actually 6 lucky winners last week. So the names are, very excited, Yolana Martin tagged Christy Nicholson, so 2 books going out to those girls. Michelle Davis tagged Margaret Lambrick, so winner Margaret, and Kay Boyd tagged Rachel Fenn. So you all get a copy of book 1 personally signed by me. So thank you for being a part of the show. Now, let's go back in time because I'm not sure if you know my story. For many years, I actually battled an addiction. Food. Food was my greatest weakness. And when I was happy, I would eat. When I was sad, I ate. When I was lonely, bored, tired, you name it, I ate. So what chance did I have with that type of attitude? Now, I had battled obesity for many, many years. In fact, I was a chubby child, a cuddly teenager, a buxom bride, and an obese adult. Hello, my nickname at high school was Porky. In 1974, I married my darling Billy, and I weighed 85 kilos. And I had my wedding dress made for me because there was nothing that would fit me in the stores back then. Then after each baby, I got bigger and bigger and more insecure about my size. Really, looking in the mirror would reduce me to tears. I didn't recognise the fat, round-faced, unhappy woman that was staring back at me. My turning point came when my best friend Kimmy came to the Sunshine Coast for a holiday. Now, we just moved here and she wanted to go to the beach. Now, if you have any of my cookbooks, you will have seen the swimsuit photo of me hitting the scales at 100 kilos. That photo was taken by my Kimmy. So let me just show you if you haven't seen it, because that was what really set things off. So there's me at 100 kilos in my swimsuit. I turned all this around the day that I decided to become a healthy Annette. Yeah. It was important. So I lost 35 kilos in 20 months and have stayed in my goal range since 1993. So grab pen and paper because I've got lots to share with you today. So to have good health and well-being, you must have an eating regime that has variety and balance, and that it includes all the food groups. Can I repeat that? All the food groups. We don't want taken food groups out. Now, eating in moderate amounts is really important though, as most of us have lost the concept of what a normal serve is. So, here's 7 tips that I believe are the keys to weight loss success. So I hope you're writing these down. So number 1 is a pretty simple one. Start by making your kitchen a healthy, low-fat zone and throw out all the food that doesn't support your weight loss journey. That's right, those chips and chocolates, get them out. Think about what food should you have in the house that'll keep you on track and committed to losing your weight. Tip 2 is learn how to cook your favourite recipes my way, which is low in fat and healthy. And this way you can enjoy your food guilt-free. Yes, hello, cheesecake guilt-free, I know. Now my cookbooks have loads of recipes that'll help you feel satisfied and happy to continue for however long it takes for you to reach your goal weight. So if you have them, use them. Number 3, if nothing changes, nothing changes. So look at what needs to change in your life and how can you embrace healthy habits and this new healthy lifestyle. These changes are what I did. And it will help you to lose your weight, but also, like me, it will help you to maintain as well. Number 4, the key is everything in moderation. So look at your serving size. Now, I'll give you an example. We have these beautiful plates on the website, and I think they're really terrific to keep you on track, especially in the beginning. So you've got a green arrow here. So what this means is that this half of the plate should be filled with veggies or salad. Fill it up. It's perfect. Now this other quarter here is your low GI carbs, and this other quarter is your lean protein. So that to me is a fizzy, healthy, fabulous plate of food. Now it's so easy, number 5, it's so easy to become a healthy person as long as you have the right attitude. That's right. People think it's all about the food, but it's all about here, mate. It's all about what's going on in here. All you have to do really is mirror what healthy people do. Copy them in every way, and before you know it, you'll be one too. So think about what they think when they see high-fat food. Do they go, yum, or do they go, ooh, no, that's not healthy? Now, if you feel you need support, then why don't you join me on my online weight loss mentoring program? I'd love to help you. And it's been proven that having support and a mentor really helps, especially with weight loss. Now, if you want to find out more about this program, it's amazing. Go to my website, simplytoogood.com.au, and click onto the membership tab and find out more. Now, number 6, having a balanced diet is really important. Always, for example, start the day with breakfast. It is the most important meal of the day. Now, I have one of my shakes every day, as it's really quick, super quick. I love them. I've been doing it for years and I never get sick of them. So if you want to follow a menu plan, then guess what? My shakes actually, either 3 flavours, they come with their own 14-day weight loss menu plan. How perfect is that? Now, number 7 is get active. Start with, say, 30, maybe 45 if you're feeling really motivated, and go for, 30 to 45 minutes walk, 4, maybe 5 times a week if you can. Or swimming's a great way to get fit because it works the whole body, so find a heated pool somewhere. Now, I often put a fun CD on and dance around the house. Look, just make it fun. The key is you've got to get your heart rate up. And so while you're at home now, why not dig out your aerobic workout DVDs, dust them off, or do whatever you enjoy doing that involves movement. Just get off your couch and get your heart rate pumping. And this will really help you lose weight, tone your body, and create a fit and healthy you. Sounds good? That's right. Now, my final thoughts for today are about avoiding weight loss traps. Look, it's so easy to fall into a slump or struggle to lose weight. Now, life can throw us challenges like, hello, what have we got going on right now? So think about your weight. It can go up, it can go down. You can be in just a negative, positive. You just flip from everywhere. So I've got some tips to help, okay? Because we need to get you grounded. It's so easy to think that you're eating within your calorie and fat count. But how sure are you? I suggest you write a food diary for the next 7 days to check. It's a really good idea, and it will, it'll just show you. So here's how you do it, all right? So you don't eat from a bag, okay? Straight up. Instead, weigh out a serve so you're not tempted to overeat. For example, who doesn't love cashews? Well, a bag of cashews can be really tempting. But a 20-gram serve, which is probably just a small handful, has around 10 grams of fat. Almonds, for a small handful, about 11 grams. So imagine how much fat's in a bag. You can overeat healthy food too, believe it or not. Now, for weight loss, women should have around 300 grams of fruit a day, and men probably about 450 grams of fruit a day. Now, avocado, we know it's so healthy, it's fabulous, it's a miracle food. But an eighth of avocado, this is quite a big avocado, so an eighth of avocado, probably about 30 grams in weight, that has 7 grams of fat. Oh, that's no problem. But if you're having half the avocado, that's 28 grams of fat. And if you're eating the whole avocado, you're having probably 50 to 60 grams of fat. Now, when I was losing weight, I was aiming at 30 grams of fat a day. So put that into perspective. Now, don't fall into the trap of weighing yourself every day either. Oh, look, as the number has that potential to ruin your day, I used to weigh myself once a week and would record it. Then on the first Wednesday of the month, it was my official weigh-in, and this is the one that was the most important. Over the 20 months it took me to lose 35 kilos, I had a weight loss every month. And doing this way shows a better overall result. So please, can you just stop weighing yourself every day? It's just masochistic. Now, forget all the crazy fad diets, okay? They just don't work, and it really causes a lot of yo-yo dieting and binging. It's much better to follow a healthy, well-balanced eating plan that is sustainable, and really my weight loss plans will really help you here. Another tip is everything in moderation is the key to weight loss success. Don't remove any food group. Instead, make healthy choices and check your portions. Be active and see the good in what you're doing. I mean, get excited about the changes you're making. Another tip is to aim to live a healthy lifestyle, a happy, healthy lifestyle. You want to be happy, right? So feel confident and celebrate every healthy choice and decision you make. Only you can do this. So come on, step up and take responsibility for your health and be proud of every change, every step, and believe that you can do this. Look, because to be honest with you, if I can do it, so can you. So I'm a bit sad because this is our last Wednesday with Annette. But if you've enjoyed this show each week, make sure you stay connected with me. I'd love to support you. For our last Wednesday with Annette, I thought, oh my gosh, we need to have a fabulous prize. So get ready, 3 lucky people will each win a box of my premium breakfast shakes. That's right, you can pick your flavour, creamy vanilla, wicked chocolate, or iced coffee. I love them all. So if you want to be one of the 3 lucky winners, then you need to like, share. Now get ready for this because each Wednesday's been different. In the comments, I want you to write your favourite all-time recipe from any of my 8 books. It's that easy. I'm really curious. Only one. Don't be writing the whole list. I know it's hard, but one favourite recipe of yours. Now, I'll be back tomorrow with my usual Thursday with Annette. I'll be in the kitchen where I'll be cooking my tuna tomato casserole from book 5. Now, I love this recipe because it's so easy, but also it has this special bread top that goes with this recipe on the top. So I can't wait. Yum! I will be continuing, though, the Tuesdays with Annette for a little longer. So don't forget to keep joining me Tuesdays with Annette and Thursdays with Annette because I'll be here waiting for you. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed the Wednesday shows. Take care and bye for now.